Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about how to receive money from Remitly. The way you receive money from Remitly depends on the delivery method the sender chose when they initiated the transfer. There are a few common options, which may vary depending on the country you're in. One of the most popular ways is a bank deposit. The money is sent directly to your bank account. You don't need to do anything other than provide your bank details to the sender. Once the transfer is complete, the money will appear in your account. Another option is cash pickup. With this method, you can collect the cash at a designated physical location, like a partner bank or agent. The sender will provide you with a reference number, and you will need to present a valid government-issued photo ID to pick up the money. You can also receive money through a mobile wallet. The funds are deposited directly into your mobile money account. This is a very convenient option if you use a service like Opay or similar mobile wallet providers. The sender will receive notifications from Remitly about the status of the transfer, and they can share that information with you. You will also likely receive a text message or email when the money is available for pickup or has been deposited. Remember, you don't need to have a Remitly account to receive money. The sender is the one who needs the account. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.